Hey guys, today we'll be unboxing some accessories for my one-wheel Pint, and I'll be showing you how I clean my grip tape after a couple weeks of use. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, let's go! Alright you guys, so what I use to clean my grip tape on my one-wheel board is this. It's the Diamond Dirt Remover. I got it on Amazon. I believe it was maybe $5 or something. I'll leave the link in the description below so you guys can pick this up. This thing works wonders. As you can see, my board is a little bit dirty. You can see a little bit of mud right here. Here. But this is specifically for grip tape cleaning. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into it and go and clean up this grip tape. So it's some sort of rubber gelatin brick, but basically you just use this. You can see there's a lot of dirt. I highly recommend picking this up to clean up your grip tape, make it nice and new. So we'll start with the dirtiest part of the board. This is gonna take a little bit of time. You're gonna have to put a lot of muscle and energy into cleaning this, but as you can see right here, we're gonna start with this little patch. So I'll show you, so I don't scratch my table. We're gonna start with this piece right here. And voila! As you can see there, that's a major difference. I would recommend wearing gloves so you don't, rip off the skin off of your fingers, because grabbing this grip tape will do that. And yeah, see, I already kind of scuffed up my finger right there. This is a good investment, to clean up your board every once in a while. Depending on where you ride, how you ride, it's inevitable your grip tape is gonna get a little dirty. So right here, it's turning into this darker brown color. I'm just gonna go and peel that off. Again, this will take a minute, but as you can see, you can already tell that it's working. Make sure to change directions of the little brick. Cleaner side will be easier to clean up. Revitalize the one-wheel logo. That about does it. So yes, my board is definitely cleaner. The grip tape is looking brand spanking new. I'll probably be cleaning the grip tape maybe once every 3 weeks or once every month. Just because, if you're gonna be riding it heavily, it's gonna get dirty. You might as well add up all the dirt and then just give it one good, satisfying clean. This is the Black Diamond Grip Tape Dirt Remover. And admire your clean one-wheel. It's nice. Alright you guys, so here we have, I believe, the Fender. I got this today, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this open. Let's start with the Fender. Man, I really need a pocket knife or something. So, I went with Future Motion's official Fender. I have heard some issues with it from, veteran one-wheel riders, but I don't ride really crazily, I guess, which would cause the concern for me to, get an aftermarket third-party Fender. So I went with the burgundy red. So let's see what comes in the package. So you can see here, So we've got the burgundy one wheel Fender, as you can see. It is made out of plastic, but it really does feel nice and durable. It's not, you know, too bad. The MSRP for this was $75 plus shipping. I totally dropped the ball and was trying to order the fender, the bumpers, the rails, and the charger plug all together because it's free shipping with orders with $100 or more, which I messed up on, so I had to order it separate and pay shipping for both. But it's all good. So this is the one-wheel Pint Fender. So in the box comes Allen wrench and 4 screws. And again, more business cards. Guys, you don't need to give me business cards. I will promote this one wheel. I love this one wheel. Every time someone sees me riding this thing, they're just like amazed and just want to know more about it. I'll be your ambassador here in the Houston area, don't worry. So, it comes with Allen key and 4 screws. As you can see, there are holes in every corner. And it comes with instructions on how to install your brand new Fender. All right, so now, we got here, got the other items that I've ordered, again, from Future Motion. Future Motion makes quality products. The time that they spend on perfecting, you know, their software and their hardware really shows in the Pint. So here we've got the Pint bumper kit and we have the rail protectors. Well, I guess it came in. So on their website it showed that it was like a white protector, but apparently it's red. So it's gonna match that. I went with the gray charging port plug. So, I'm gonna open this up. Got the front bumper, instructions to install, and the tools necessary to install my new bumpers. So, get that out the way. Again, every little baggie that they give you will contain business cards. We're gonna actually keep these separate. So I pretty much am decking out my one wheel. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and install everything. So, all right, so here's my one wheel. It says here that we need to stretch the fender around the wheel and mag handle. Make sure to keep all your backup parts. So the goal was to wait until my stock bumper and my stock rails kind of gave out and cracked. But you know what? I'm gonna use that as my backup because I really want to build out this new Pint, this with my burgundy red. So I'll just use the stock bumpers and the stock, all that stuff as backups. I will still have some parts to make sure that we're in business. All right, so, ooh, this is a toughie. So this part here by the mag handle is a pain. So you really need to work your way around the mag handle. As you can see, there's a little divot right here, none right here. The Pint logo is gonna be towards the back. So that was pretty easy to install. All right, Fender has been installed. We're gonna go ahead and install the new bumpers. Got the charge port plug protector. Goes in like that. So that can be protected from water. Well, step one, we've got to remove the front foot pad. So then on the bottom, so we got to remove that one, that one, that one, that one, this one. Yeah, it really takes the brunt of the damage on the bumper, so which is good because those can be replaced. Once you open this piece, just a tip, you'll see 4 star screws that you've been removing from, right here and here and stuff. Don't remove these. All you need is a little bit of help, or just a really good grip to remove the bumper. It does take a little bit of force, but once you got it, you got it. So we're gonna go ahead and install. We're gonna go ahead and install this. Slip it back in there. I had a lot of trouble getting that front bumper right here to snugly, I don't know if it might be the part, but there was an issue with the holes weren't aligned, but I finally got it with a little bit of force. So now we're gonna go ahead and install, the back bumper. A lot of the scuffing is done to the bumper. As you can see, there's a little bit here, but that's probably just because of me. So yeah. If you are installing these bumpers, new bumpers, I would suggest, you know, take your time. Yeah, these things are fit pretty snug. Place it. Okay, so bumpers installed with my new matching Fender. Got it. All right, so these are actually not red, they're not blue, they're clear. First, the front facing part, the non-adhesive part, is gonna be the blue side. So you're gonna take the blue side off, you're gonna go to the red side, and so here are the rails. Rail guards. Wish I had ordered these just with the board. And there it is. My foot cramped up a little bit.